Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to make a cooking video. It's a easy and simple evening snack, that is nippat chaat. So let's go into the video. So the ingredients are nippat or rice crackers, half lemon, grated carrot, chopped onion, chopped tomato, some mixture, chaat masala, jeera powder, salt, chili powder and tomato ketchup. So our nippat chaat is ready, so I'm gonna try it. It's really yummy, you have to try it. As I said, you must try this. It is really tasty, and if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, go subscribe it down, and if you need more videos of food, then comment down below. Thank you.